Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to subscribe and turn on bell notifications for a YouTube channel. So you might hear different YouTubers talking about that, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how that actually would work. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So a couple different ways. If you want to start from the channel page itself, you can select the subscribe button just at the top of the page right below the banner. And if you click on the drop down next to subscribe once you have subscribed, you can select personalized versus personalized, which it looks like YouTube will kind of take into account how you interact with that creator's post before giving you notifications. So there's a little bit of AI involved in that. It's not really a cut and dry definition between what all versus personalized is. If you want to receive all notifications from a creator that you really follow a lot, it's just basically telling YouTube that you're very interested in that creator. And then you would select all and just make sure that it's checkmarked in there. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.